today with our illustration number 9, journal entries. Okay, so let's directly dive into the problem without wasting any more time. Journalize the following transactions in the books of Miss Nidhi Traders for the month of July 2022. Okay, so it is again sale of goods, all related with the sales and but inclusive of GST. Okay, so you can refer to our earlier classes for the GST related details. Okay, the theory and all I have explained in my previous class. So let us directly now dive into the answer without wasting any more time. So please draw up the format, date, particulars, LF, debit, credit. Yeah. Once your format is ready, let us start with the problem part. First one, sold goods for 50,000, charge CGST, SGST at 6% each. Now there is sales. Sold goods for 50,000. What is our entry? First think of that entry. Sold goods for 50,000. So because no a customer name is not given, it is understood it is bank account debit to sales account. Sorry. Bank account debit to sales account. But on sales, which tax is collected? Output tax, and output tax is credited. So here also output CGST account to output SGST account. What are the amounts we have? 50,000. So value of sales is 50 at 6% each. So calculated 6%. So it is 50 into 6%, that is 3,000. So what will be my total value? 56,000. Got it? So simple, like we have done for purchases, we are doing it for sales. But here we will not get inputs, we will get outputs, because on sales output tax comes and it is credited because sales is credited and this is also credited because we collect this tax on behalf of the government. It's our liability to pay it to the government or set off utilize it with the input tax. So that's there. Okay, now write down being goods sold, charge CGST, SGST at 6% each. Narration part please complete it, don't leave it blank. Being goods sold, comma, CGST, SGST charged at 6% each. Now, sold goods to Surjit for 28,000 including. We have earlier done in our earlier classes including how to do it. I have already shown. Correct? So, be attentive while reading. So, it is given including goods sold to whom? Surjit. So, it is Surjit account to sales account. Let me first write the entry, then I'll find out the amount. To output CGST account, to output SGST account. Now, when it is given inclusive, how do I calculate? Let us make the working note, leave 2 pages for this and then make the working note. Okay, so working note number 1. So what is the number 1? Sales value is equal to, so 28,000 divided by 6% each, matlab 6 plus 6, that is 12. into 100. So what is my value? What does my value comes to? It is 25,000. Now, so what will be my CGST? So sales value has come to 25. So complete it here. 25,000 is my sales value. Now calculate 25,000 into 6%. So it is 25, 6, how much? 1800, 1500, 1500. So total will go to 28. See, now we got it or not? 28,000. See, this is my 28. Okay. Whenever it is given inclusive, please be attentive. You have to do whatever 100 plus whatever is the tax amount into rupees 100 to get either the purchase value or sales value. Okay. Now, received 25,200 from Surjit in full settlement of his account 28,000. Okay, we are given dates here. So, let me write the dates. It is in the month of July. Sorry, let me write the year here. I'll write the July 3, 4. Okay. So, it is July 3rd, July 4th. Now is July 5. So July 5. How much did I receive from Surjit? Anything received, bank account debit. Correct? But to Surjit account. Now, is he paying the full amount to me? No. Then, what do I write here? So, I am facing some loss. I have to receive how much from him? I have to receive 28. He is giving me 25,200. So the rest is my discount. Discount allowed account. How much is the discount allowed? I think 2,800 rupees. Simple. So this is my entry. So being amount received from Surjit in full settlement of his account. Please write down the narration. Being amount received from Surjit in full settlement of his account. Okay. Moving on to our next entry. Sold goods to Kapil for 30, IGST charged at 12%, received 12,000 immediately, balance to be received after 1 month. We have already done this kind of thing in purchases. So similarly, this is given for sales. So sold goods charged 12% IGST. What was the date? I didn't notice the date. The date was July 6. So please write down July 6. Sold goods to Kapil. So Kapil account to sales account to, because sales we have output IGST, I suppose. Here only IGST is given, not CGST, IGST. Yeah. Now, ma'am, why have you left space here? Can you think? What is the sales value given to us? Think till I write this. 30,000 is my sales value. So GST is at 12%. So it is 3,600. See here what is given. He paid, he received, we received immediately how much? 12,000. We received how much? Immediately received. Anything received? Bank account? Debit. So total amount to not received. But how much is received? 12,000 is received immediately. Total to be received is 30 plus 3,600, that is 33,600. Out of this, if 12,000 is received, so balance will be 21,600 to be received. Okay, so please write down the narration. Being goods sold to Kapil charged IGST at 12%, comma 12,000 received immediately, again to be returned and completed by you. Going on to the next one. Kapil was allowed rebate of 5,000 as goods supplied to him were defective. These goods were sold by charging IGST 12%. See, very, very interesting. Here, what has happened? We allowed him a rebate. Why have we allowed him the rebate? We have allowed him, rebate is nothing but we are giving him discount. Why have we given a discount of 5,000 to him? Because whatever goods were sold by us, they were defective. Defective goods cannot be further sold. So that is why what has happened, he has not returned us the goods, but we have given him discount. Rebate is allowed for what purpose? For not for the payment, prompt payment, but being goods defective. So now what will be the entry is, there is rebate account or discount account debit, because we are giving, so it is an expense or loss to us. So rebate account debit. But because this rebate is given for the defective goods, what should happen? Recall, reversal of GST. Whenever there is a return, defective, sale, loss by fire, drawings, we have to reverse the GST. In this case, because goods were defective, we will because on these goods the GST is paid, and hence we will reverse the GST. Please reverse the GST here. So output GST, what IGST is paid here. So output IGST account debit. See, in the previous entry only we have this Kapil entry. So output GST is on the credit side. So to reverse it, I will debit it. Okay, because only because goods are defective, we are taking it on rebate. Otherwise, it does not come. If it's a normal cash discount, it will not come. It is coming here only because this rebate is given on goods being defective. Clear? We will write this note also if you want. To Kapil's account. So what was the amount of rebate given to him? I guess, let me check. The amount is 5,000. GST means 5,000 into 12%, that is 600. So total Kapil's account, it is 5,600. I hope you are clear with this. Please write down the narration. Being rebate given on goods sold to Kapil. Being rebate given to on goods sold to Kapil. Output GST charged at the time of sale, now reversed. Why reversed? Only because it is defective goods. If rebate is in the normal cases, we will not reverse it. Hopefully I'm clear. Now Jan 12, not Jan 12, it is July 12. What is the transaction happening? Sold goods to Manpreet 1 lakh, trade discount 20%, charge IGST 12%. See, trade discount has come, so you have to be careful again. Manpreet account to sales account, but again, what is charged here? I think IGST. Yes, to output IGST 12%, correct? But what is the value we have? 1 lakh. Trade discount 20%. So sale value, how much it will be? 1 lakhs. So 1 lakh minus 20% I have to take, because trade discount is never a part of books of accounts. Correct. So it is 80,000 here. Now 80,000 into 12%. So it will be how much? 12 8s are 9,600, and total will come down to 89,600. Clear? So please write down goods sold to Manpreet charged IGST at 12%. Okay? Now, next. Goods of list price 20,000 returned by Manpreet. An important and interesting word has come here, which I have already explained it to you. July 13. What has happened? See, on July 13, list price. In while explaining the concept of discount, I mentioned the word list price. List price means it is before trade discount. So instead of giving in the question before trade discount, they have mentioned the word list price. List price means the price is before trade discount. Clear? So now return, there is a return, sales return. So sales return to Manpreet. But because there is a return, we have to reverse our GST as well. So reverse our GST, output IGST account to Manpreet account. Now, what is the value of return? 20,000. But it is list price and not the net price. What is our trade discount? In the previous entry, we were given that Manpreet is given a trade discount of 20%. So deduct 20% from here. So it is 20 minus 4,000, that's 16,000. GST is at what percent? 12%, even though not mentioned in the question anything, but I will reverse. See here, nothing is mentioned about GST, but I will still reverse because in the earlier entry, goods are sold by charging IGST 12%. So I will reverse in this case, and the amount comes to 16 into 12%. So 1920. So total is 17,920 rupees. Okay, now we have our last entry to make, and the last entry is received a commission of 15,000, charge CGST, SGST 6% each. I think very simple entry, 17th one, but it is income received. So July 17, commission received, incomes credit side. So bank account debit to commission account to output CGST to output SGST account. So 15,000, please write the amounts. It's 15,000 into 6%. So the total goes to 16,800 rupees. Okay, here only, so this is, please write down being commission received and GST charged at 6% each. We can also write down note number 2, because GST is reversed on rebate because it is given due to defective goods. Otherwise, in case of prompt payments, we will not reverse the GST. Clear? Okay. Just give me a second. Thank you.